Hello friends, this video is about my reflections on elementary OS. I have been using this for almost like 4 or 5 months. I have not been using every day, but I have used in the beginning quite a lot. And then one day I was playing around with this status bar at the top to customize it, and I think I might have installed some other package. I don't exactly remember the name, and then I ended up losing the timestamp, so there is no time on this one. So that is one thing which I did not like. The customizability is limited in elementary OS. That is the first thing I noticed. Apart from that, I see that this is very clean operating system. The menu bar looks nice, and then you have this nice menu that you can display either as icons or as this type of menu style. That is nice. And one more thing I probably not liked that much is the memory usage. So it's it's not really fault, or it's not necessarily a downside, because this is a mid-weight operating system. It is no way supposed to be meant for low powered or older systems, but still I feel I think as a it might be a result of the limitations on the way how much we can customize, because for example there can be some applications that are already loaded in the background which we don't know, like usually if we are using XFC or Mate, I always look for options where you can stop loading some of the default services and so on. I think those things should still be possible in elementary OS, but the settings are limited here because it is it tries to abstract so many of the functions that usually average user is not bothered about. So those things are not there, I think, which is a good thing. But at the same time, for someone who wants to tweak it, that is not really the case. There is a tweaks application, but then I won't say this allows you to change as many things as in some other variations or variants of Linux, but still better. You can get to change these things like appearance and all, but so there are few things I think I don't see the startup applications or anything in these tweaks, which could be a good thing. I mean, although I totally understand that every every version of Linux or every variant of Linux is not supposed to look for optimizing memory usage or giving 100% control to the user, but those are my views. I mean, like for example, I'm running this on a 2 GB mini notebook, and I'm able to run, but it quickly fills up the available RAM. As you can see, it already it is closely barely about to reach to 1 GB. It already started using swap, and I happen to have swap, but if it is not there, and I like right now I'm recording also in simple screen recorder, so that is why it is eating up memory. But I'm just giving an example. There can be some improvements, definitely. That is my point of view, and that is one thing. And apart from that, I don't have much of issues with elementary OS. Everything seems fine. It does not crash or anything like that. It's pretty stable, and in a way, because it limits these the things that you can modify to the status bar, or these pretty much you can add new applications, but that is all. you cannot right click, and there is no right click. So it, in a way, it is very good. It has a very good abstraction layer, so that the user feels not overwhelmed by too many things, too many customizations, too many features. So that's not the case, which is a good thing. And yeah, I think that is all. I think I have tried so many things on this Linux operating system. I have installed, I have tried many applications, so all of them work very well. I even installed Wine and tried these all just to try out about the onboard graphics performance and all. So this is a DirectX 11 based graphics card, which is it's not a powerful one, but I was just for that reason I have downloaded these older versions of graphics testing programs, and then I tried of them. So they worked pretty fine. It did not crash or anything. So that is all about my impressions on Elementary OS. So thank you for watching. See you in another video.